Hello and welcome to our new video. Today, we're going to compare two powerful tools, Durable AI and Elementor. The links to Durable AI and Elementor are in the description. Durable AI is a cutting-edge artificial intelligence platform designed to assist businesses in automating customer service, sales, and marketing tasks. With its advanced natural language processing capabilities, Durable AI can analyze customer inquiries, generate personalized responses, and even predict customer behavior. Its deep learning algorithms continuously improve over time, providing businesses with more accurate insights and better performance. Elementor, on the other hand, is a popular website building plugin for WordPress. It empowers users to create stunning websites with its intuitive drag-and-drop interface and vast library of templates and widgets. Whether you're a business owner, freelancer, or web designer, Elementor makes it easy to design and customize your website without any coding knowledge. Plus, its seamless integration with WordPress and other plugins ensures a smooth user experience. When it comes to choosing between Durable AI and Elementor, it ultimately depends on your specific needs and goals. If you're looking to streamline your customer service, sales, or marketing processes, Durable AI may be the ideal choice. Its AI-powered automation capabilities can save you time and resources, allowing you to focus on other aspects of your business. On the other hand, if you're in need of a powerful website building tool, Elementor is hard to beat. Its user-friendly interface, extensive feature set, and wide range of templates make it a favorite among WordPress users worldwide. Whether you're building a personal blog, an online store, or a corporate website, Elementor has you covered. Thank you for watching, and we hope to see you again soon.